Nanti jadwalnya bisa tanya di sini.
Ah, nggih.
Yang atur jadwal.
250,000. Yeah. So, how do you feel? Nervous or you're happy? So today's the 17th August 2018. This is the Independence Day of Indonesia. So just to remember. So he's going to learn how to drive car. Excited? Excited? And the little brother is also going to learn. No? You don't want to learn?
Going to have birthday, Mom.
Oh yeah, soon it's going to be her birthday on 26.
Itu namanya siapa?
Hah?
Saya Pak Sabar.
Pak Sabar ini.
Oh iya, ini Pak Sabar.
Kenalan. Ini namanya MAMUZZ. Manual tuh ini? Manual toh?
Ya, agak geser.
Agak geser, Yo, satu.
Silakan duduk, masuk semua. Oke, kita mulai ya.
Dengan membaca basmalah orang ya.
Iya. Oke, ini tolong dipegang Mas MAMUZZ. Pegang. Angkat ke atas sambil tombolnya dipencet. Pakai jempol. Turunin. Nah, itu tugas gunanya untuk menurunkan handrem. Pencet lagi. Angkat ke atas, lepas di atas. Itu ngunci roda. Warnanya lampu rem tadi merah. Kalau mau jalan tidak boleh. Harus dimatikan. Caranya ini tadi dipegang aja. Ya, itu menjadi kosong atau netral. Di bawah angka 3, di atas angka 4 namanya netral. Tandanya kosong kalau digeser. Sekarang lihat depan, dipegang. Lihat depan. Digeser ke kiri. Sempit apa longgar? Sempit. Dinetralin sama disenggol. Iya, bagus. Sekarang kembali.
Buba learning. Dulu mau kan yang bawa aku ke sini?
Downstairs maybe?
Enggak, udahlah. Ada tuh.
Iya, keluar.
Okay, MAMUZZ, what happened to you today? Did you have fun? The driver nice. The teacher. Did you like driving? Do you think you'll be scared? I mean, before you had the feeling of being scared, right? And after that, how do you feel? Still scared? Was it fun? Was it like game playing?
Yeah, when still alone is okay, but then when go to jalan raya, alright.
Well, that's just experience.
Did you drive to the highway already?
No, only in gang, but there's so many people.
So many people. See, that's a good thing.
This one.
Manual or
Automatic.
automatic? Manual? Oh, good. You want me to teach you now? With this?
Not very with you.
Enggak boleh dulu. After you finish your
not
lesson,
now.
you need my permission to do that. He has fun. He went to the gang. He drive by himself.
Is it like a small alley, Mamza?
But there's so many people.
So many people in the alley? Okay. Well, say thank you to Momo and Buba then.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
So MAMUZZ, by the time next year, you will drive for me. And you will drive me everywhere, including shopping for your food.
Yeah, but you have to ask Buba. Buba, but you have to buy me Mercedes like that.
In your dream.
Oh, of course lah, dreaming for a year after that. You'll get.
Thank you, Opa, Oma, and Oti.
Momo and Buba.
Bye bye, Koko.
Kita beli ini mah di apa? Beli bakso.